Hi friends, I'm very happy to share a penguin themed November month bullet journal. Hope you all like it. The cover page, I am using a thin brush pen in black color for marking the November, as well as drawing a small penguin with 3 little hearts and mentioning a calendar. And on the left side, I am using the same pen to outline the penguin. Here I am representing the penguin for happiness and given a simple happiness quote underneath it. I have kept the cover page as simple as possible. Here I have used blue and orange gel pens for the quote. For a change, I am using crayons this time for filling the images. Here I am using dark blue crayons for the outer body part, shading it softly. Highlighted the cheeks with orange, finishing the mouth with red. Let's finish the cover page. Let's proceed with the calendar page. Here on top left corner, I have mentioned the month with 2 penguins. Here I have added a highlighting box as well as a goals box to mention whatever I need for this month. As well as for the calendar, I have started from left and finished the entire month's calendar to the right. Also mentioned 2 quotes and kept the calendar page simple.
single day that passes without you on my mind. Not even 1 minute can end up before you come around. I yearn for the days when I see your face here before me. I long for the times you held me in your arms. Whoa. How I wish that you were here to give me everything I want. But I know that life's unfair and we can't always have it all. Whoa, whoa, I wish that you were here. Whoa, whoa, I wish that you were here. I wish that you.
Finally, we have finished the setup for November month. Let's flip through. Thanks for joining me. Take care. Bye.